I'm going to show you how I use my whiteboard on my office wall to be able to meet short-term goals. This is an awesome, effective method for me, and I'm going to show you two examples, one of which is already on the board. So my goal for this month is to do 100 miles on the treadmill. It could be treadmill, it could be outside, but basically I'm trying to run or fast walk 100 miles, okay? So what I've been doing is keeping track. Every time I go for a run or a fast walk, I take off. So I start with the end goal, right? Like the 100, and then I just deduct time. So like, for example, if tomorrow I could squeeze in 7 miles, I'll be down to 70. So what I like about this backward planning method is it's visible. So I'm going to show you a picture of how my office looks. And so this is right in front of me. I sit in front of my computer and the whiteboard is right in front of me. So it's visible. I'm like constantly looking at it. It's a constant reminder that I need to focus on the goal. And so I was able to do this over 100 miles last month. And so I know for sure I'm going to meet the goal this month. Now I'm going to show you a second example. Recently, I ordered a new treadmill and I also ordered a new laptop, and because I needed both. I didn't have a laptop and I just had my desktop computer, and then my old treadmill was super old. It was over 20 years old, so it needed to be replaced. So I went and got them on a 0% credit card, and so I have 18 months to pay it off. So otherwise I'm going to get interest charged. So what I'm going to do is say, pay off card. So if my total balance is $1,971.49, I'm going to do everything I can to keep making payments, sometimes not even once a month. If I have like an extra $20, $50, I'm just gonna keep deducting until this is down. My goal is to pay it off in 6 months if I can. So just to show you, just to kind of fast forward, if you will, this is how it's gonna end up looking. Again, my goal is within 6 months to pay off, but what a great way to remind me every day what I'm trying to do. Meet my miles and pay off this card for what I paid for the things I got. So try something like this. I'll have a link to the whiteboard like this size that I got in the description of the video. So that way, if you want to get one also, you could. Some wall calendars, some wall whiteboards come with like a calendar, and I don't really like that. I don't use that feature because I use a paper calendar, but I do love using this. It's right in front of me and I could see what I'm doing, and that'll help me meet my short-term goals. I will catch you in the next video.